In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams app in Windows. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what you're looking at on screen so you can comfortably follow along, even if you're not very familiar with downloading apps on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. This might be Chrome, Edge, or another browser you normally use. In the address bar or the search box at the top, type MSys Teams Download, and press Enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Microsoft Teams. From the results, look for an entry that says something like Microsoft Teams Download. In the example we're using, this link comes from a software download site. Go ahead and click that link to open the download page. Once the page loads, you should see an option or a button labeled Download. This is usually easy to spot and often stands out in color. Click on the download button. After clicking, your browser may ask you to confirm the download or choose where to save the file. If that happens, just choose a folder you recognize, like your downloads folder, and confirm. Then wait for the file to finish downloading before you open it. Now, in some cases, you may also see another search result that mentions Microsoft Teams as an app on Google Play. This is generally aimed at Android devices, but your browser may still show it. If you click that result, it will open the Microsoft Teams page on the Google Play Store in your browser. On that Google Play page, you'll see a button labeled Install. When you select Install from a browser, you might be asked to choose which device to send the app to, typically an Android phone or tablet connected to your account. Click Install, and just follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts guide you through permissions and confirmation steps, and they're usually very straightforward. Agree, continue, and wait until the installation is complete on the selected device. Throughout this process, be sure to read each